Kids Buzz TV.
Hello, jump into the cabrio straight ahead. It's time to go. Car horn, beep, beep, did you hear that sound? It's the bell, so it's time to drive back to the school ground. It's time for the cars to get all their work done, so get ready for some learning and fun. Vroom, vroom, it's car school.
Car School.
Today, Maria is the first to make it to class. She's waiting for the construction vehicles to arrive. The green light switches on. The gates open. The vehicles enter the school.
Oh, someone's absent. The loader's late.
Now everyone's here. Time to say hello.
Hello, vehicles. Ready to remember your tasks? Today, you need to move a car up the hill. Build a wall from blocks and place blocks numbered 1, 2, and 3 on the shelf. Who wants to do these tasks? Loader. Wonderful! Go ahead. Wait, Loader! Red light! You can't go yet. Green. Time to go.
The loader goes to the construction site to complete Maria's tasks.
Prepare for task number 1.
It seems that the loader needs to build a wall from blocks first. I hope he can manage. He places the first block with the forks. Then the second. And the last one, the third. Wonderful! Your first star!
Prepare for task number 2.
Before moving the small car, the loader would need to prepare the hill. Can he do that? Good job! And here's the car. Done! The loader gets a second star.
Prepare for task number 3.
The loader is looking for the block with the number 1. He found it. Let's place it on the shelf. This is the block with the number 2. Where's the block with the number 3? Look for it, loader. There it is. The third task is done.
Great job! Car School.